Okay, welcome back to our video series for IGCSE ICT data analysis, which is chapter 20 of our IGCSE ICT syllabus. So the last time we were looking at the basic mathematical operations you can use in Microsoft Excel. So today we want maybe to add a little bit of what should I call this, decoration to our spreadsheet. Okay, so we will format our spreadsheet. So it's called formatting. Okay, just want to open one of these spreadsheets here. Okay, let me click more templates, just look at one of the spreadsheets here. Okay, so it will be a little bit quicker to download. Okay, yeah, okay, let's try to open it. It's downloading now. Yeah, okay, yeah, this is the one. So we want to make our spreadsheet look maybe similar to this one, or maybe not similar, but we just want to give it life. We want to give it color so that it's easy to understand and very interesting to understand. Okay, let's close this one and get back to business. So first and foremost, formatting a spreadsheet, we want to match cells. We want to combine this first row here. So want to combine these cells, these 5 cells, A, B, C, D, and E in the first row. So how do we do that? So we click here, match. Okay, many of you just click match and center here, which is somehow wrong, because sometimes you don't want maybe to center align the text that is in this cell. So it's advisable to click here and then click match cells. Okay, let's unmatch first, unmatch. So we'll select the cells first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then match cells. Match cells. So match across matches does the same thing when you've selected these cells here. But if I can click here and then click match across, it will match the cells across the row. So it's advisable to first select. Okay, let's undo that. Control Z. Okay, yeah. So we've matched the cells here. So as you can see, in Microsoft Excel, we have 2 alignments. We have horizontal alignment and vertical alignment. So vertical alignment, you can align text to the top, to the middle, and to the bottom. Top, middle, and then bottom. And then we have horizontal alignment, the one that you're familiar with. Left, center, and right. Left, center, and right. So let's put in some text here. Okay, mathematical operations. Okay, so this will be the title of our spreadsheet. Okay, so we can increase the font size here, just like we do in Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word. So can maybe, okay, so that it fits here. Okay, let's see which one fits. Okay, maybe this 26 looks good. Can change the font, maybe if you are told to use serif font or sans serif font. Well, I usually advise my learners to use Times New Roman for sans serif. Times New Roman, that is for serif font. For serif font, they use Times New Roman, and then for sans serif font, they can use maybe Arial, that is for sans serif. Okay, let's use Times New Roman. Use a serif font, Times New Roman. Okay, yeah. Okay, Times New Roman. The size is 26. Okay, we can also change the font color here. Can change the font color. Okay, let's say we want it to be white. So I've selected this cell, just click here. The font color is white, nothing shows now. Okay, you can change the background as well. Click this bucket to change the background. Okay, let's give it a background. Okay, maybe let's give it a blue black background. Okay, this is dark blue background. Yeah, so that's how we change how we merge cells. And then the alignment here, this is the alignment. We have horizontal and vertical, and then this is the fill, how to fill cells, the fill color, changing the fill color or the background color. And then we have the font color. I think you're familiar with this one. Okay, can maybe bold or italize the words, and some maybe underline. So I think you're also familiar with this one. Okay, we can change the direction of the text as well. You can change the direction of the text here. Click here. Maybe you want your text to be vertical. So this is a vertical text. Okay, let's open here. Yeah, vertical text can look like this. Okay, we'll look at vertical the text direction in more detail in the coming videos. Okay, and then you can also change the text wrap. So for example, this text we have here is mathematical operations, but if I would have maybe decreased this cells here, the words won't show here. Yet if I use a wrap text here, okay, then maybe I have to increase the size. So wrapping text is just making sure that the text doesn't or maybe appears in this way. Okay, let me undo that by pressing Ctrl C on my keyboard. Okay, so that's how we format text. But another way we can use to format our text is just by clicking here. If you want to format the font, formatting the font here. So we are in the font, and then we say Times New Roman, font style bold and italic, and we used 26. So if you want an effect of subscript or superscript, I think we did this also in Microsoft Word. Okay, I will show you what this does, superscript or subscript. Okay, you can also change the fill. The fill we used a blue background, and then the font color here. This is the font color we used, white. And then okay, we'll come back to the number and so on. So here is the alignment. The horizontal alignment is set at center. Can also change this one to bottom, the vertical alignment to maybe bottom, no problem. Okay, can wrap text here, or can shrink the text to fit the cell. It's up to you. Okay, here we can match the cells. When you've selected these cells, you can just click here to match them. That's how you can also, okay, you can even click here again for the alignment. So have these different tabs to format your cells. Anything you need that comes with formatting. So when you want to format anything on your cell, you just click this dialog launcher here, font settings, and then you'll know what you want to change on your cell. Okay, you can also click this one as well, and you can also click this one as well. Okay, yeah, so that's how we format a spreadsheet. Okay, lastly, want us to insert, maybe let's say we want to insert, because this is not clear now, want to insert a space between these two cells here. So I want to insert a new line, a new row here. So I'll just right click, then click insert. So Microsoft Excel will insert a new row at the top, but it will take the formatting for this cell. So okay, I can just clear formatting here. Don't want this formatting here. I can just come here, click clear all. So, and then my font, my spreadsheet now looks this way. Okay, I can minimize this cell. This is how I can minimize. You click and drag, click your mouse and hold it, then drag up so that I can minimize. Okay, this cell here. Now it looks neater. Okay, yeah, that's how we do this operation. So you can continue doing or maybe formatting these other cells maybe the way you want. Okay, that is all for this video today. So on the next video we will be looking at some of the functions that come with Microsoft Excel. Be looking at some of the functions that come with Microsoft Excel, or the formulas which we call functions. Yeah, we'll be looking at them. So do subscribe to this channel for more videos. So, and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will get notified and you will watch that particular video. So it's goodbye from me for now. See you on the next video.